Oh no, my stomach hurts a lot. I feel strong pain inside now. The pain is getting worse now. I cannot sit or stand well. I feel scared and very weak. I need help from my parents. Please wake up quickly. My stomach pain is very strong. Papa, please wake up quickly! Mom, please wake up quickly!
What happened, my dear son?
Why are you calling us now? Do not worry, Tom. We are here.
Tell me, where is the pain?
You are sweating very much now.
Your face shows strong pain. I am calling an ambulance right now. We need help very quickly. Please, come fast. Wait, we need help very quickly. My son is in severe pain.
The ambulance is here now.
Help has arrived for our son. Do not worry. We will help him. Please, give us some space. Stay calm. We are here. We're okay. Give us space, please. Hurry up.
Stay calm. We are here.
Do not worry. We will help him.
Stopping.
Mom, I can't even stand. Mom, please don't leave me. I'm really scared.
I'm right here, my son. I'm not going anywhere. Stay strong, my child. Everything will be okay.
Quick, emergency! Move him to the ambulance now! Clear the way! Give us space, this is critical! Lift on 3, 1, 2, 3!
Stay calm and take slow breaths.
Please don't close your eyes, my child. Stay with me. The pain is still very strong.
I know, sweetie. The medicine will help soon.
Mom, it hurts so much.
Shh. I'm right here with you.
We reach the hospital now. Please help him quickly. Urally, bring the patient here quickly. We are ready to check him. Take the child to the emergency ward. This is an emergency case.
Bring the patient crying here quickly. We are ready to check him.
Keep him stable, we're almost there!
Where do you feel the pain?
The pain is in my stomach. Oh, it hurts so much.
Does it hurt more here, boy?
Yes, Flower. Please stop, Sandev.
Give him the medicine quickly.
He is in severe pain.
Yes, doctor.
I am preparing it now.
We will check his blood pressure now. Please stay calm and relaxed.
Give him the medicine slowly.
Don't worry. This will reduce your pain.
You will feel better very soon.
This will today's the feel pains your pain.
Don't worry. You will feel better very soon.
Okay.
Thank you, doctor, for your help.
You are welcome. Take care.
I feel much better now.
Thank God. You are fine now.
Tom, you look much better now.
Yes, you are feeling better now, my son.
Tom, you look much better now. My life, my son.
Papa, I feel much better now.
Yes, Tom, let's go home now.
We are so happy you are fine. Papa, I feel good now.
Yes, you look healthy now.
That's great. Let's go home, my son.